Hi guys, welcome back. So have you ever tried using one product and created a look out of it? And I'm going to show the amazing range from Bella Vita Organic. This is how the packaging looks like. Also ये 100% आयुर्वेदिक है. So this is a 3-in-1 product. इसको आप अपने lip, eyes and cheeks पे apply कर सकते हैं. These tints comes in 8 different shades and this is a very high coverage and इसका pigmentation बहुत amazing है. Also I'm going to swatch it over here now. I'm going to show you the tutorial over here. I'm using the peach shade and which means orange actually, and I'm going to cover all my dark circles. इसने actually मेरे dark circles को cover up कर दिया है and also you can see the difference. Now I'm using the shade Choco and here I'm using the applicator also जो इसके साथ में आता है for the contouring. I'm going to apply the blush and the shade is Rose. So I'm going to use the Pakistani blush technique. So it goes all over your nose. So I'm using my fingers to blend the blush and the technique is really amazing. It actually gives you a very finish and a very natural look. This is nourishing and ये बिल्कुल भी stickiness नहीं देता है face पे और ये बहुत ही soothing formula है. Next, the same shade Rose I'm applying on my lips. So applying same as on my eyes too to give a very natural tinty effect. So the look is all done and I'm loving it. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 to this product. This product has almond oil which removes the dead skin cells and has vitamin E which nourishes your face properly. This is cruelty free and paraben free product. Price of this product is just 300 rupees which is really affordable product. I just love the product and totally recommend it to you all. See you in the next video. Bye.